Hey everyone, and welcome back to South Africa. We are Michael and Acacia, and this is our van Yeti. Join us every Sunday over here on YouTube, so make sure to subscribe.
After our Europe trip, we have been exploring the best of the Western Cape, heading deep into the Cederberg mountains. This is all to come soon in our later films, but first off, we need to catch up where we left you, en route to Stellenbosch. Our first stop on the agenda was at the Titan Racing headquarters. Our company, saltycproductions, had partnered up with Titan Racing in a co-beneficial partnership. We will be creating content for their new Charge 1 e-bikes. First time.
Stellenbosch is situated 40 minutes inland from Cape Town. Amongst the grape vineyards and the mountains, there is so much to do. The next morning we had a busy day planned. After a slow morning with the family at camp and some yummy breakfast cooked up in the van, we hopped on our new bikes.
Only 300 meters from our campsite, there are epic cycle tracks at Bethlehem Plaas. There are mountain biking trails for all skill levels. Some trails scale the mountains, other contour lines, and the best parts are the downhill pump tracks.
These are the best mountain biking trails we have come across, very well maintained with beautiful mountain views all around you.
For lunch, we decided to head to a nearby restaurant. The Bunhook Chili Conservancy has a really cool interactive entrance where you can witness chili oil being produced. With lovely outdoor seating area and of course tasty food. We had their chili oil tasting platter and bought our favorites to take home.
We then took a drive to one of the oldest Cape Dutch farms in the Cape Winelands area. This farm offers a wide range of things to do, from wine tasting, cellar tours, dining in the restaurant, experiencing the farm hotel and garden spa, or simply just walking around their gardens. Their farm has 3.5 hectares worth of gardens to explore.
There is such diversity when it comes to all the plants, with the immense amounts of fruits, vegetables and herbs. We wandered the gardens for about 2 hours, mesmerized by the nature, but didn't even nearly have time to see it all. Make sure to have a look in their farm shop for some fresh produce straight from the gardens, the bakery and deli. We grabbed some tasty goods and headed to our next campsite for the night.
Just a short 15 minutes drive away from where we arrived at Blackpool Wine Estate. There is a campsite on the hill looking down the valley. You can even spot Table Mountain from the farm in the distance.
We hope you enjoyed this week's video. We are excited to be traveling in the van again and we can't wait to show you what's to come. Make sure to subscribe below to join our adventures every Sunday. Thanks for the support.